Hello everyone, and today we will be integraling cosine x, cosine squared, and cosine cubed x dx. So starting off, we will integral cosine x dx. I won't explain this because, but the integral of cosine squared x, which I will do. Well, to do this, we need to use the formula cosine 2x, which is equal to cosine squared x minus sine squared x. We will use another formula, which is sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. Alright, and now we just minus the we minus out the cosine squared x on both sides. So we have sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x. I just plug this into here. So we get cosine squared x is equal to cosine squared x minus another 1, so we have times 2, and then that's just minus 1. Nice. And now we want cosine squared x to be alone, so all we do is just plus 1 on each side and then divide 2 on each side, but plus 1 comes first. So we have cosine 2x plus 1 over 2 is equal to cosine squared x. I just replace this on the here. So we have integral of cosine 2x plus 1 over 2 dx. Let's be a big boy. Alright. Now it'll be easier for us to integrate because we will separate this into two parts, which is the integral of cosine 2x over 2 plus the integral of 1 over 2. Oh, forgot about the dx. Crap. Dx. This is completely normal. I mean, the same thing as this one, okay? So I didn't do anything. It just made us easier. Well, let's worry about this first. And the integral of cosine 2x over 2 dx is equal to sine 2x over 4. Because if we differentiate this, the sine becomes the cosine, and then from the chain rule, the 2 comes in front of here. 2 over 4 is 1/2, so what I just said at all is equal to this, cosine 2x over 2. And then a 1 over 2 integral of that is equal to 1 over 2 times x plus c. The answers are in the box. Okay, now the final stage. We integral cosine cubed x. So the integral of cosine cubed x dx. This cosine cubed x, I will just break it apart into a cosine squared x times cosine x dx. I'll make it neater for you guys, because I love you. Alright, and now this cosine squared x, I will replace it with the part that I used, a formula of sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1 that I used right here to integral cosine squared x. Well, in this case, I will minus this, which is sine squared x, onto both each side. So I have cosine squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. Great, and now I just simply replace this for that. So I have is equal to the integral of 1 minus sine squared x times cosine x dx. Okay, straight from here on out, from here on it right now, sorry guys, I will use the U substitution rule, which the U, I will set it equal to a sine x. So the du is equal to cosine x dx. So the du cancels off cosine x times dx. So we have the integral of 1 minus sine squared x. But u is equal to sine x, so we have minus u squared. And then a du. Okay, and now I integral this, which if I do, I get u minus u to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. And I replace the u back with the sine x, so we get sine x minus sine cubed x over 3 plus c. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.